Hi guys, welcome back to Cartex. Today another tips and tricks video for the ID.4 and of course the ID.5. I see you guys like the first two videos of it, so made a new one. So the first little trick, maybe you guys already know it, but the ID.4 has some mechanical grips for the doors. You don't see them, so it's normally a sort of push button on it, but if you do this, you have a sort of mechanical grip, so you can always open the door. Maybe if the little button inside it is broken, or you just want to have some force to it. And then guys, my car has the easy open function with the electric tailgate. I know a lot of people hassle with the opening of the tailgate with the easy open function. There is a sort of tip for me. The sensor is above or somewhere around this parking sensor. So if you use your feet underneath the car, it will open. Much easier than kicking your bumper or scratching your bumper. And of course it's possible to close it with your feet. The second one, maybe you guys already know it, but your windscreen wipers won't go up if you need to replace them. Really annoying, because the bonnet is in the way. If you get in the car, then you go to vehicle, status, you go to service, and then press wipers in service position. The wipers go up and you can change your wiper blades. Really easy. Then something really annoying, well, over here in Holland, maybe in your country is better, but the predictive cruise control uses some features, so you can read road signs, etc. It can predict corners and it will brake automatically, but in Holland that doesn't work that well. But you can switch it off. You go to adaptive cruise control and press off the road layout preview and speed limit preview. This one can be on in my case. It predicts the end of a queue on the highway, etc. So it starts braking and gives you an alarm when you're too late. Another tip from my side, the D and the B function on the let's call it automatic gearbox. To drive as economical as possible, I use them, switch through them while driving. In the city and on normal B roads, I use the B function, but on the highway, etc., I prefer the normal D, because it will roll out the car a lot longer and be more economical instead of braking continuously. And it's annoying for your for the drivers who are behind you, because always light up the brake lights, etc. So the most economical function I use is on normal roads, etc., the B roads, use the B function, well, B roads, B function, and the D function for driving on highways, etc. And it works fine by me. Also guys, please use it. There's a car to X function in the main menu. It's not on automatically, so the V2X technology, please put it on. The more cars they use it, the more accurate it will be. I've already got some messages in the system when a car is on the side shoulder with problems, etc. It gives a sort of pop-up message. So please put the function on. The car gives a sort of information about it, but the more cars use it, the more accurate it will be. Some function you will never use, but it's funny to see. If you press and hold this button, you can swipe to adjust the temperature in the car. Really fun to see, but I never use it. Well, if we're there on climate already, another range extending tip: put the aircon on 90 degrees instead of 20 or 21. It will extend your range about 10-15 kilometers. Then something I use a lot, the driving profiles, of course, has the individual mode. I don't like the adaptive cruise control to be a sort of hassle. If you drive it reacts slow, etc. So I always use the individual mode, everything in comfort except the adaptive cruise control and the light assistance. So the LED matrix headlights will react a lot quicker, and of course the adaptive cruise control react really quick, and yeah, nothing wrong with that. And then guys, a function my car doesn't have because it's too old. Wow, half a year old, but already too old. The newer cars will get an USB port behind the mirror to charge your dashcam, etc. It's USB-C, so be aware that your dashcam always have the USB-C, or use some kind of converter. But yeah, really handy function. Another thing maybe you guys didn't know, your car has a built-in hotspot function with Wi-Fi. If you go to setup Wi-Fi, and you can use the infotainment as an hotspot, it will give you a name, and then you can log in and you can use it as a Wi-Fi spot for your telephone or iPad. Really handy and really easy to use. Well guys, I hope you learned a bit from the video today, part 3 of the tips and tricks video. If you guys have tips and tricks for me, please let me know. Already you guys saw I put the infotainment system in English, so it's a bit easier for you to get the menu structure. So please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.